Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. At this moment, karon na kagabion, actually it's already 9 o'clock or 9:05 p.m. Wala pa 12 midnight. Sometimes naga-snack ko pag 12 midnight. But karon 9 o'clock pa, past 9 o'clock pa, pero nagtimpla ko kape. Mag-coffee ko, then I have bread. Partner sa ko ang kape, bread good siya. This one. This is coffee and this is bread. This is sliced bread. Pag mag-coffee ko, nagyog ko'y bread. Paborito na ko ang bread eh. Thank you to all my friends, my subscribers. Continue to likes and to shares my video clip. Continue to subscribe my YouTube channel to all my friends, and continue to follow my Facebook reels. God bless everyone.